Last we get some fest, you understand? Cause me can't take the style thing, me a bad boy.
But you can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about my son fest. Eh? Move on a blood clot and go, man. On a bad mind, a blood clot.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Team. You know, a long time you don't hear from me. I've been traveling. I know I'm kind of sick. I'm finally done with the traveling and come off of vacation and I'm back to it. Of course, everybody's supposed to know the controversy between dancehall artists, various artists, Vybz Kartel, Massacre, and now Joshi. And Nuffy has stepped into the chat to defend the new crowned dancehall king. So after, I think it was Friday night, there was a back and forth through Dash Road on stage. Nuffy come out and defend Kartel. And he said a few words and everybody knows they had them two day match at. So we have a lot to get into. Oh, and it looks like Vybz Kartel and Shorty, well, the streets are saying they're back together, but me just feel like they just cordial, isn't it? Everybody asks how Sidem feel. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Check this out.
If you keep pushing me, that's how we back home. See this up me away. Now I got a bone hand up in like your pretty little kitty when you're own. But they can nobody be kidding me.
On a deaf, them said them not left. Shorty also made several reposts with other fans and family and friends reposting the same pictures that she and Kartel had posted with people saying royalty, real bad girl, you know, one fam, this and that. And she even made a post saying, POV me walking into a room full of bitches that thought betrayal was gonna break me. If you can remember the mix up good, Sharika, that Adiana mother, it is alleged that as she bring to her Kartel say, Shorty again born while in a jail. So she was there she was there when Kartel did a perform too, so you know, I can bet that was awkward. If you see the girl with snitch pan and still don't get the man. But I tell me what you think about this in that comment section. What do you think to them feel? Let me know. Now moving on to the next topic. So Massacre and Joshi had a few words at some fest, and people are saying that, you know, a Kartel them mature they went fast and now Nuffy come back now and defend Kartel and explain, say listen, there will be no other king after Kartel. And I mean, sister, Nuffy says so. Check this out.
But you can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about my son face. Eh? Move on a blood clot and go, man. On a bad mind, a blood clot.
I don't know what kind of boot that you have, but me say them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say gonna put out or gonna go. Nobody, none of them, else don't pay.
All you know, Joshi. Poor blood clot you. Before you mind your own business, you get your little blood clot chance with Silk Boss. Eh? Look at hungry belly Joshi. You get your little blood clot chance with Silk Boss. If you got a career in your hand, all you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck like a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your little blood clot, follow back and go. Eh? You know about dancehall? You know about dancehall? You think it is easy for pass blood clot being the man and Kartel, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it again. He said after the king, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Cause you not done a blood clot work. You not work. You not work. After blood clot Kartel, no more king. Me no coming no dancehall. All I want to know sing and DJ. You don't know dancehall like oh no. Me not have to sing and DJ. Me know it. After Kartel, no more king. Cause the work with Kartel put on. You couldn't do that. You have more blood clot time for find work do. You have more time for find work do. You go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. Kartel. Vybz Kartel. I mean I just because him make me reach there. Him know dancehall. And his blood clot dancehall MC. king MC. Like how him are the king bumbleclot DJ. And Spice are the queen. See? Uno look how sis, now no respect. Uno look how bag, now no blood clot respect. You think it easy to pass Beanie Man? You think it easy to pass Beanie Man? Eh? And Kartel laps Beanie Man 3 times. You see after Kartel, there will be no more king. And me can't tell Uno that. Because none of you run up on the mouth and try. Uno not work. This thing feel like a song have like a blood clot song. I think I pass Beanie Man. You think say Uno can, you think it is easy for Beanie Man pass Yellow Man? Eh? You think it is easy for blood clot Beanie Man pass Yellow Man? You think it is easy for Kartel reach Kartel pass blood clot Beanie Man? I'm Kartel laps Beanie Man 3 times. I know Beanie are the problem. I own a but bad mind. Eh? I know Beanie are the problem, you know. I mean no Kartel not a problem with Beanie Man, you know. Kartel don't have a problem with Beanie Man, I know that. Me around him and me know that. Me no blind.
Tell me what you think down in the comment section. On the thing, Josh, you should have stayed tight. I ain't just when I defend Massacre because he want a strength. And let me know in the comment section. No, Nico Fire. He always says some things, and sometimes I agree with him and sometimes I don't agree with him. But he said that Vybz Kartel can't be the king because of Joe crown him and Joe ain't friend. But at the same Joe Bogdanovich crown Beanie Man and King Yellowman wasn't there. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Check this out.
Let me tell you something, man. Vybz Kartel, them crowned last night at the king of dancehall. We have to admit, when you come to prison, dancehall gates open up back to a different level. Arena full up on all these things. But your friend them give a crown. And I know enough people are going to vex over what I say, but I'm friend them crown him. And there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. Whenever you're a woman crown a man king, Gracie, big up yourself. Spice, you know me love you. But me just have to put you one side now. Gracie, then set you up. Because there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. But you don't know say on our work. Everybody have one link. You see, if I'm a bounty killer, Beanie Man, Yellow Man or Shabba, come 4 of them turn up and say Kartel like new king. I just he my king for Joe them. And some fest. But he's not gonna be a king for everybody. He might already the king for the Gaza people. Him. And Vybz Kartel is a very talented, me not take nothing from him. But you see the crowning thing there, them not do it good. A friend give friend, a friend crown friend. I'm not care who want vex over a truth, you know. That's why I ask the question, how come Joe have the power for crown people king? Because me don't know, me know Shabba now co-sign that. Me know Yellow Man now co-sign that. And I know as much as me can talk for Bounty Killer, but I don't think Bounty Killer co-sign that neither. You have to know music. I know so you have to put respect due. Vybz Kartel do a lot for the music. Vybz Kartel do him have to do. Sell out arena, open back the gates of dancehall and make Afrobeat dead. Because Kartel come kill Afrobeat. So we now go around that. But if him friend them a crown him as king, and then use Spice as a woman for crown a king, a queen never crown a king yet. So me know big fuck go on. And the reggae night too. Enough people are going to say through me and Kaga a friend. Me and Kaga not a friend. Me and Kaga as an artist and me as a DJ. My friend and my people I grew up with. You know look good? For the artists have one of the most played songs in Jamaica. Because no artist on Reggae Songfest tonight don't have a song where I play. We're going to perform a reggae night at Songfest don't have a song where I play more than Cargo song presently. And I truth. Whatever personal vendetta them have for them business, but them could have put the youth on the show. Even Angel could have go on the show too. Yeah man. But people are going to say true, me know them and my friend them, but me know not going to say that. But Vybz Kartel, tell you something man. And your friend them crown you. People don't have you as the world boss. Remember say you don't have a title and say you're a world boss already. Nobody can take that from you. You don't say you're a world boss. And the people them say you're king of dancehall and something there. But for your friend them crown you, me tell you say, Bounty have to crown you, Shabba, Yellow Man and Beanie Man have to crown you. For me go say alright then my real king. Kartel, I do him good thing and a dancehall. Yeah, but my friend them give me king.
Bunty already gave him the kingship. Remember, he said it at Freedom Street. He said a new king has risen. I'll let you guys decide down in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.